Hello everyone, hope you had a nice holiday. For this term's language class, we will use a short video to teach content at the beginning of each lesson, and then we will use either class activities or Quizlet to help you to practice it. For students who have never used Quizlet before, I will show you quickly what you need to do for each lesson. First thing first, your teacher will share a link with you that will lead you to your class, and your class will be like this. Your teacher will put all the content in this class that you can get access to it. And when your teacher tells you which lesson you have to get access to, you just have to click it. And when you click it into your lesson, you will find all the contents that you learned in the video have been made into the flashcard. And the front page of the flashcard is the Chinese characters. And then when you click the flashcard, at the back of the card is the English meaning. So you have to go through all of these flashcards at the beginning, and then you have to scroll down, and then each word will have a button like this, which will tell you how to pronounce this correctly in Chinese and English. And when you finish this part, you have to scroll up again and then go through all of this from learn, write, spell, test, match to gravity. For example, when you click the learn button, you will go to a page like this, which will test your understanding. For example, the word chair, you have to find the Chinese characters of it. And then you just click it and answer it. And then you go to the next word. That's for the first part. The second part is about the write, which is pretty much the same thing. It will tell you the English meaning, and then you have to find the correct Chinese word and answer it. And then that's the second part. The third part is about spell, which will tell you the sound of each word. And what you have to do is find the correct Chinese after listen to this word. And then what you have to do is touch your enter part and then just answer the next one. And then for the next one is a test, which will test all your knowledge. And then the last two are two activities that will help you to practice your understanding and learning. Pretty much you have to match what you have learned about each word. For example, this two is a match, and this two is a match. This two is a match, and last word. When you finish, and then you will just have to play it again or just go backwards. And the last one is called gravity, which is also another activity that help you to go to practice your understanding. And pretty much you have to type your answers about what you have learned, and then it will go to the next word. And that's pretty much for what you have to do for each lesson after you watch the video. And this will help you to scaffold your learning and make sure you really understand the knowledge and be able to use it in your real life. And if you have any question, please feel free to let your teacher know. Thank you, everyone. Have a good day.